Have you ever started a TV show with your partner and then watched an episode without them? Well, I consider that cheating. Hello everyone, welcome back to Be Bold Rahul, where today we're going to be going around and asking people what they consider cheating, which is not exactly cheating. Let's find out. Hi, my name is Rahul. What's your name?
Paloma. Saparna.
I think it's cheating, which is not exactly cheating.
I don't know.
Annie.
Vamsh, wow, what a unique.
Shubham.
What's your name?
Soham.
Aira.
Aditya.
Tanvi. Dikshita.
September was great for us because so many people have sex in September. So for us, it like sales boom. But
What is something that you consider cheating, which is not exactly cheating?
I think firstly, like today, like emotional cheating and physical cheating are considered separate when
Honestly, both are eventually cheating. And also even texting, honestly, in the intention of in the possibility of something happening with the opposite person, that is also
cheating when you have wrong intentions in your mind. So this is it.
Yeah, but I was going for a really light-hearted answer.
Looking at another woman and laughing at her jokes. That's
I agree. What about you?
remembering what other girls wear at different occasions. That's cheating. Well, he's just gonna say he has a photographic memory. Initially, I thought he could only remember what I wore when. Clearly, that's not the case.
You laugh. That's cheating. You cannot laugh.
Bitching about me to my best friend.
If my partner is out shopping and he's sending pictures to his girl best friend,
Oh shit! Okay, that's bad.
that's not okay. I will select your
Do not
fashion
do
style.
that. I have done that.
I genuinely feel that when he goes to a restaurant which I like and eats there with his office people, I feel that's cheating.
I agree.
Secret ritual between you two, then him doing it with somebody else, even a friend, then that's like.
Give me an example of that.
Okay, for example, let's just say me and my boyfriend read together. Or we discuss some specific genre together, then he can't do it with other people. That's for us.
That's your cheating.
Yeah.
Eating ice cream without me. That's cheating. Anything chocolate without me is cheating.
That's very generic, bro. Like वो बंदा कहीं आइसक्रीम भी नहीं खा सकता क्या अलग से?
Chocolate, Kinder Joy, ice cream. No. Without me, no.
Okay, what about you?
I mean, I think emotional cheating is worse than actual cheating. So anything.
We were looking for a light-hearted answer.
What I think is when you plan to go out for food with your partner, but they go to that place without you, without telling you, and then they come home and tell you that, oh, they went to that place without you. Yeah, that is cheating for
That
me.
is cheating. That's the highest form
Definitely.
of cheating.
Yeah.
They can
Food
even like physically
over
cheat on you,
everything.
but then not go to a restaurant.
Wait a minute.
They can even physically cheat on you.
But then not go to a restaurant without you.
Definitely.
Yes. Yeah, why did you do that, Aditya?
He does that all the time.
Eating my favorite ramen without me being at home.
That is cheating.
That's
I
cheating.
agree.
Yeah, the last packet of ramen should be for me.
What do you think is cheating?
Having some awesome food without me is cheating.
I
Yeah.
agree.
Yeah.
Going out to fancy restaurant.
Yeah,
without
fancy
you.
restaurant without me is cheating for sure.
All for Vamsh, wow, what a unique. Not even bunch. Vamsh. What does Vamsh mean?
Very similar to Vansh, but yeah, different meaning. I mean, it's fine with me if she communicates with me, like if she's interested. If we can rewatch the episode later or call,
You have a favorite restaurant with your partner, but they go there with someone else. Do you consider that cheating?
Absolutely, I do.
Okay.
Absolutely. Definitely, yes.
Oh, give me some more examples of shit like this.
So I'm not a football fan, but my husband is. And if he watches a game without me, I feel like that's cheating now.
But you don't watch the game.
No, but I watch it with him now.
Okay.
So if he watches it without me, with his friends, now I think that's cheating.
what? I think meeting a girl alone where, I mean, if someone, okay, let me say this. If you meet someone after you started dating a girlfriend and you meet someone new and you go to them alone and stuff like that, I think that's kind of weird. I think that's kind of like cheating. I think.
I get it.
I'll consider cheating if I make a plan which she doesn't agree or she basically turns it down, and I find out that she's spending time with her friends.
If my husband does not leave the last bite of the dessert for me, yeah, that's so true.
Okay, leave the last bite.
His fries. If he does it, like my fries are mine, but his fries are also mine. So I think that's true.
Oh my god!
I think I would consider if she sang our favorite song with someone else.
Oh man, I cannot do that. Oh shit. I would die.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Making a friend, like just a random girlfriend after you start dating, is weird unless she works with you. You actually have some work.
And you don't need another girlfriend. The people that you have before, it's fine.
A few moments later.
It's just not needed.
We talk about petty cheating. Jo aapko, yeah.
That's
I have no friends
also
who are
like
girls.
I know. Even
Playing his card.
sliding.
Going to a place where we wanted to visit together alone or with some friends. Yeah,
Is this like a restaurant or any place?
no, like a vacation place.
Yeah. If you discuss it, especially.
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
I feel like the girl talking to a guy and not talking to you at the same time. Like if she's talking to the guy and messaging her but not messaging you at the same time can also be considered.
I mean, all three of you are online, but she's texting him but not texting you.
Yeah. I feel like giving the other guy more preference than you.
Yeah, telling about our inside jokes to someone else.
Oh, that's bad. Got it.
If you wear someone else's hoodie or like piece of clothing,
Oh, damn.
that's kind of fucked up.
Yeah, that's fucked up. I mean, women is fine, but some other guys hoodie or t-shirt will be fucked.
Yeah, that's a little off. And if you have a good explanation, maybe I'll let it go.
Okay.
And if your guy best friend is wearing a dress, dude, I need explanation. I mean, unless he likes it, I guess.
कुछ तो होगा?
I'm very inexperienced, but I would say that like if you keep a note in your pocket when you're writing the exam, then I think that's considered cheating or something.
Luckily, because 2025 Gen Z is horny as fuck, it's sort of not dipped. It's going.
Still there. It's still going up. You know what I mean?
It's still going up. You know why it's staying up? Because I put this spray on, baby.
Thank you so much. Nice. Like, share, and subscribe.